Is your company currently struggling with management headaches and hassles caused by product quality management breakdowns or FDA regulatory setbacks? QPC Services helps businesses that specialize in medical manufacturing, including surgical, dental, ophthalmic, and biological areas. We help these types of companies fast-track their quest for FDA clearance filing and CGMP compliance by helping them avoid the common costly pitfalls and delays typically associated with bringing their products to market so they can immediately start maximizing product revenue. Our industry subject matter experts work as an extension of your organization and interface with the FDA to receive and respond to their critical questions as well as prepare you for inspections conducted by the FDA. We can assess and determine your FDA medical device classification, including Class 1, 2, and 3 medical devices, product codes, and FDA regulation numbers. We then search for predicate devices already cleared for sale to support the submission process. From there, we identify and assemble the necessary components of the 510(k) application requirements, how they apply to your device, and further classify the project as traditional, abbreviated, or special submission classification. No matter if your product is a traditional medical device, software-embedded device, or combination product, our team has the proven track record of successfully submitting hundreds of 510(k) pre-market notifications with the FDA. Our certified industry experts will help you obtain FDA clearance fast so you can begin selling your products and immediately start seeing a return on investment. Contact us today for a free, no-obligation consultation to discover how we can help you accelerate your FDA clearance needs so you can start growing your business at the speed it should be.